guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited, guys. I finally got my IPSY box for the month of April. It's the BoxyCharm by IPSY box. Here it is. She is so pretty, gorgeous, pink, love. Okay, guys, so I just did a video, and the video is regarding what I'm getting in my box. So now that I have the box, let's go ahead and unbox it and see if it matches with what it says I'm supposed to be receiving from what it has on the app. So let's go ahead and jump into it, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm so excited, guys. I literally was not expecting my box to arrive this early. I am shook. Today is April the 12th, and my tracking said I was supposed to be getting it till tomorrow. So the fact that it showed up today, chef's kiss, a shout out to IPSY, because I am so grateful that I got my box early, since with BoxyCharm I would always get it so late in the month. So I'm shook that I got it this early. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. It still does have the seal. So I already looked in the app and I already kind of know what I'm supposed to get. So let's see if it matches, and hopefully they didn't let me down. I'm also excited to get my add-ons in this box. Like, I see so many benefits to this. The changes, I'm loving it, and I'm trying to cut this box and it is kind of hard. Let me tell you. So yeah, guys. Okay, here we go. I'm so shook. Okay. Here we go, guys. And of course, if you guys are enjoying my content, make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, ta-da, ta-da, ta-da! Oh my God, a lot of confetti, a lot of stuffing. Oh my goodness, she is cute. Look at her. Discover yourself, period. Look at that, super cute. I love pink. Love pink. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and take this on out. Oh my God, yes. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start off with our first item. So this one is the Natasha Denona. It's the Olay eyeshadow palette. It has 5 eyeshadows. Oh my God, you're so cute. I love this. Okay, so as you guys can see, it has these really gorgeous shimmers, these beautiful mattes, these cool tone browns, these bronzes. Oh my God, so adorable. I love this. Chef's kiss to this. I love it. I cannot wait to play with it. So this one was our first item. The Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette does retail for $48. She is a fancy, guys. She's a fancy one. I'm so excited for it. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to our next item, which I'm super excited for. This one is actually a new product that you guys can find at Sephora. I am shocked because I was actually going to purchase it. Like, it really intrigued me. So this one's the OLEHENRIKSEN, and this one is a color corrector. This one's the Banana Bright Vitamin CC stick. Okay, let's try to break into her. So this one's going to neutralize your under eye if you have any dark circles. Like, it's going to neutralize it, and I'm so excited for it. Okay, so this is my next product here from OLEHENRIKSEN. This is what the shade looks like. Oh, I actually thought that it was going to be a lot more orangey-er, if that makes sense. Or yellower, like a brighter yellow. This one, let's actually swatch it so we can kind of see what it is about. Oh, it's really nice and creamy. So here is what this color corrector looks like. She's so cute. Okay, I cannot wait to play with it because I do have like little dark circles, and my little freckles, they kind of like seep through, which I actually like my little freckles, but I don't know, I just kind of want to neutralize it a little bit. So I'm so excited to try out this product. Also a full-size product. This one does retail for the $34. Then up next, guys, we have our Fenty Beauty Heat Lip Gloss. I'm so excited. This one, I actually chose it. This one was one of my choice items. And this one is in the shade Lemon Lava. It's this really gorgeous gold gloss and has like little reflex on it. Oh, yes. So gorgeous. Okay. Get it, girl. Get it, get it, get it. All right. Let me swatch her just a little. I love the doe foot applicator. It's really nice and big. All right, so this is what she looks like on her own. Love that. Ooh, love, love, love. And this one does have a plumper on it, so it's gonna plump just a little bit. So the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. So pretty. It reminds me of the Kilowatt highlighter. I have it in my collection somewhere in here. Love this one. This one, I believe it does retail for the $24. Love it. I am loving my box so far, guys. I am impressed with all of the improvements that they've made, taking over. So yes, girl, we love that. Okay, guys, so then the next item that I chose was this one right here from TRESLÚCE Beauty. This one's the Lucete Glow Highlighter palette. So let's take it on out. I am so happy. I love this so far. I get so excited when I get my makeup items, guys. I really look forward to my makeup products. So here is the palette itself. Ooh, you know what? This actually reminds me of, I had a palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills with Nicole Guerriero. It's like a really old palette. And this kind of reminds me of it a little. This is what the palette looks like. And it's going to give you that beautiful glow. I actually, guys, I love using my highlighter palettes as a eyeshadow. And I also do apply it on my skin. As you guys can see, I do have a lot of texture, but I will still rock a highlighter. If I like it, I will wear it. But I like to use the highlighters as a eyeshadow. I always wear like a really nice, a shimmery shade on my lid, and that's what I have right now. So I will definitely be using this. $26, guys. I feel like this value is amazing so far. I'm impressed. Okay, and then the last item that I chose was this one right here. It actually looks kind of small. This is the Basic Beauty, and this is a setting powder. I've never heard of the brand, but I'm excited to try it out and see what it's all about. So this one is in the shade Translucent. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, is it a pinky one? Oh, I think it looks kind of pinky, guys. Okay, so it does have a little sifter. Let's pop that out. I'm gonna put some on my hand because I want to see. I'm so excited. I want to see what the shade looks like. Okay, so yes, it does have kind of like a little pinky sheen to it, but it is translucent. It feels really nice and soft and silky. Is it very finely milled. Oh, I'm kind of shook. I'm kind of excited to try this out. Okay, so there is the setting powder. This one was also one of my choice items. I don't know if I said that or not because I'm talking too loud because I'm so excited. Too loud and too fast because I'm so excited. This one did retail for $26 as well. Another one of my choice items. And then lastly, guys, I also did get a boost item. This was something that they chose. And I got the JLo Beauty, and it's that fresh eye cream. This is what she looks like. Oh my God, it's so luxe, guys. I also do have the JLo Beauty serum, and she has like the most gorgeous freaking packaging ever. I actually have this one displayed on my shelf right over here on the corner, and I'm excited for it. It's so like gorgeous and bougie. I love it. But hopefully the product inside is just as good as the packaging. So yeah, that's that. This one did retail for $49. So overall, guys, let me just tell you that my entire box, the value was of $207. And I'm so excited for all of the changes and everything. Like, I'm so excited that I got my box so early. I'm just excited about the app, how it kind of guides you, gives you a timeline of the whole process. And I'm absolutely loving it. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about all the changes? I'm very excited. Guys, okay, so I also did do some add-ons. I think I have a problema here. Oh, girl, Okay, so I did do some add-ons to my box, and I added the Tatcha Dewy Cream, and I got it, but I also did add on some little hair clips, and they're not in my box. Wonk, wonk, wonk. Yeah, they're not in here. So I will have to email them and see what happened to my hair clips, because those were also part of my add-ons. And I'm pretty sure they were supposed to be in this box because I got this one. This one was one of my add-ons, so my other add-on should have been in here, but it's not, and it's missing. So hopefully I can get this situated. And yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think about the IPSY charm? The IPSY charm? Oh my God, girl, I'm making up stuff. The Boxy Charm by IPSY box. Let me know what you guys think about it. I am so excited overall regarding everything, and that's gonna be it for today. I will leave my friendly referral link down below if you guys want to go check it out. And yeah, I hope to see you guys on my next one. I hope that you guys like this video. Please don't forget to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Make sure to stay tuned. I will be doing another video trying out all the products that they sent out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.